Entering time activities one by one in QuickBooks Online can take time, especially when your time entries are already in Excel, CSV, timesheet exports, project tools, or another system. Instead of entering each time activity manually, SaasAnt Transactions lets you import time activity data in bulk, map the fields, review the records before upload, and undo the import if needed. In this video, I'll show you how to import time activities into QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt Transactions. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Next, open the SaasAnt product page using the link in the description. As you go through the page, you can get a quick overview of the product and the different types of data you can import into QuickBooks Online. When you are ready, click Start Free Trial. You will be redirected to the secure QuickBooks login page. If you are already logged in, just choose the QuickBooks company you want to connect with SaasAnt Transactions Online. Now, log in to SaasAnt Transactions and go to Bulk Upload. Here, you'll see different transaction and list types available for import. Select Time Activities. Now, import your prepared time activity file from your system. Once the file is added, click Continue. Next, SaasAnt will take you to the Field Mapping screen. Here, SaasAnt will automatically map the fields in your file to the matching QuickBooks time activity fields using Auto Default Mapping. You can review and adjust the mapping if needed. Make sure the necessary fields such as name, date, hours, minutes, customer, service, and billable status are mapped correctly. Once the mapping is done, click Review. Now you'll see the Review and Upload screen. Here, check the time activity data before importing it into QuickBooks Online. You can make quick corrections directly in the grid if needed. Once everything looks correct, click Upload. SaasAnt will now process the file and import the time activities into QuickBooks Online. Once the file is imported, click Show Results. Here, you can see the import summary. You can verify the imported time activity in QuickBooks simply by clicking the Response ID. SaasAnt will take you to the specific time activity record in QuickBooks Online. You can also download the import result for your records. If you imported the wrong file or noticed an error after import, use Undo to roll back the time activity data and keep your QuickBooks records clean. That's how you can import time activities into QuickBooks Online in bulk using SaasAnt Transactions.